Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from the chapter complex numbers. Let us see question. If x plus iota y equals to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus iota sin theta, then show that x square plus y square equals to 4x minus 3. So let us write the given equation. X plus iota y is equals to this one. Now in denominator we have complex numbers, so we can eliminate complex numbers from the denominator by using rationalization process. As you know already, what is rationalization of denominator? So in denominator we have 2 plus cos theta plus iota sin theta. So in rationalization process we have to go for multiplying and dividing with its conjugate. 2 plus cos theta plus iota sin theta conjugate is 2 plus cos theta minus iota sin theta. Don't get confused, just we need to change the sign before imaginary part. Iota sin theta, this is the imaginary part, so before imaginary part we have plus, so change only the sign before imaginary part so that you will get conjugate. 2 plus cos theta minus iota sin theta is the conjugate, multiplying and dividing. Now further simplification, 3 2s are 6 plus 3 into cos theta, 3 cos theta plus into minus 3 iota sin theta whole divided by, now denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So if you assume 2 plus cos theta as a, iota sin theta as b, a plus b into a minus b form, a square minus b square formula, a square 2 plus cos theta whole square minus b square iota sin theta whole square. Now x plus iota y equals to 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3 iota sin theta whole divided by, now a plus b whole square, expansion, a square 2 square 4 plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 2s are 4, 4 into cos theta, 4 cos theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next minus iota square sin square theta, iota square sin square theta. Now x plus iota y is equals to 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3 iota sin theta whole divided by 4 plus cos square theta same plus 4 cos theta same. We know iota square value minus 1, minus iota square value minus 1, so into sin square theta. So I told you to remember iota square is equals to minus 1. Now x plus iota y equals to 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3 iota sin theta whole divided by 4 plus cos square theta. You see, minus into minus plus sin square theta, we can write here, you can also write plus sin square theta here, plus 4 cos theta as it is, 4 cos theta as it is. Now x plus iota y is equals to 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3 iota sin theta whole divided by 4 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 plus 4 cos theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. Now x plus iota y equals to, now 5 plus 4 cos theta is the denominator, we have to apply for numerator terms, both real and imaginary parts of numerator. So what is the real part of numerator? 6 plus 3 cos theta, apply the denominator, 5 plus 4 cos theta plus, we can write iota into minus 3 sin theta, minus 3 sin theta is the imaginary part of the numerator. Now apply denominator, 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now on equating real and imaginary parts on both sides, we get x value as well as y value, because in required proof we have xy na. So in order to get xy values, go for equating real and imaginary parts. So on equating real parts on both sides, x is equals to 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. On equating imaginary parts on both sides, y is equals to minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay. Now let's start the simplification of LHS. Okay. We have to simplify both LHS as well as RHS. At last we need to observe LHS equal to RHS. What is LHS here? X square plus y square. Now substitute the values of x and y. X is 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus y value minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Okay. Now square applicable for both numerator as well as denominator. 6 plus 3 cos theta whole square by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus minus whole square plus 3 square 9 sin square theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. So now denominators are equal. Na? We have same denominator, so we can keep one denominator 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Now numerators can be added directly. 6 plus 3 cos theta whole square, 6 plus 3 cos theta whole square plus 9 sin square theta. Now a plus b whole square formula, 6 square 36 plus a square plus b square 3 square cos square theta 9 cos square theta plus 2ab 2 6 are 12, 12 3 are 36 cos theta a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 9 sin square theta same all divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Now 36 same plus we can take 9 common from both these terms. After taking 9 common we left with cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 36 cos theta, right as it is, whole divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Now 36 plus 9 into cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1, 9 into 1 plus 36 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Now 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 36 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Okay. Now from numerator take 9 common, we get 9 common. After taking 9 common, 45 means 9 5s are plus 36 means 9 4s are. So we will be left with 4 cos theta whole divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Now 5 plus 4 cos theta and 1 5 plus 4 cos theta can be cancelled. Now LHS value will be 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Similarly, we have to simplify RHS now. Okay, let us start simplifying RHS. 4x minus 3 is the RHS. Okay, substitute x value 4 into, what is x value? 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3 as it is. Now 5 plus 4 cos theta is the LCM. 4 into, we get 4 into 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3 into, just like cross multiplication, 5 plus 4 cos theta. So now 4 6 are 24 plus 4 3s are 12 into cos theta, 12 cos theta minus into plus minus 3 5s are 15 minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12 cos theta whole divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now minus 12 cos theta plus 12 cos theta gets cancelled. 24 minus 15 9, 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So this is what we got for RHS. If you observe, LHS 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta, RHS is also 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So what we can conclude, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, right. Thank you.